Hello students, how are you two all? I hope all of you feel good. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 8 of history part. Students, the name of the chapter is Market Around Us. In this chapter, we will read about the market. So students, first of all, what is a market? Market means a regular gathering of peoples for the purchase and sale of the provisions, livestock and other commodities. Or we can say like that, market is an area in which commercial dealings are conducted. Students, market is a place where people go to buy things and sell things. Market is a place where people go to buy things and sell things like vegetables, potatoes, soap, clothes, etc. And market is a place where two parties are there. Market is a place where two parties are gathered here. First one is buyer, another one is seller. They can gather to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. मार्केट वो प्लेस होती है जहाँ पर दो पार्टीज गैदर होती है. फर्स्ट वन इज बायर, अनदर वन इज सेलर, जो गैदर्ड भी होते हैं एंड फैसिलिटेट करते हैं एंड दे विल एक्सचेंज देयर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ऑल्सो. Now students, did you know what is a buyer? Yes, buyer is a person who buys things. जो buyer वो person होता है जो चीज़ें खरीदता है. And what is the meaning of seller? Seller is a person who sells the thing. Seller वो person होता है जो चीज़ें बेचता है. Seller understand the needs of customer and the seller will provide the goods and services for them. सेलर को कस्टमर की नीड के अकॉर्डिंग गुड्स को सेल करना होता है. कस्टमर की नीड के अकॉर्डिंग ही सामान की प्राइस होनी चाहिए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डिड यू नो व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन गुड्स एंड services? I think you know that. In earlier video I told you goods. In the category of goods, foods, furniture, home decor, utensil, clothes, shoes, stationeries, that are there. And in the category of services, banking service, medical service, education service, technical services, legal counselings are there. So students, we give money to buy goods or avail services in the market. गुड्स को हम बाय कर सकते हैं, परचेज कर सकते हैं, बट सर्विस को हम सिर्फ अवेल करते हैं, जिनको हम टच नहीं कर सकते. अवेल मीन्स जिनको हम टच नहीं कर सकते. आई थिंक यू गॉट द डिफरेंस इन टू. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द इंटरमीडियरीज. A link between the producers and consumers of goods and services in the market, and that link is called intermediaries. A link between the producer and consumers of goods and service are called intermediaries. I think you know that. And market has some agents, and agent will help in marketing deals, arrange for storage of goods. After that they will also get the commissions. Market has some business units also, such as transport companies, warehouse and bank, and they help in order of goods in return for a service charge. Okay, now let us talk about the role of the intermediaries. Our first point is taking products to customer. The most important function of the intermediaries is to take products to the customer in convenient form and at affordable price. That means in our first point, taking products to consumers or product is convenient form or not, whether it is affordable price or not. प्रोडक्ट कन्वीनियंट है या नहीं है, कस्टमर के अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस शुड बी अफोर्डेबल और रीजनेबल. नाउ आवर सेकेंड पॉइंट इज गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन. Middleman informs producers about changes in the customer taste and needs, the entry of new rival producers and products into the market, and so on. In our second point, giving information, mediators should inform the producers what is the need of customer and what is the taste of customer. They will provide the product for them according to their needs and taste of customer. They will provide the product for them. कस्टमर के टेस्ट और नीड के अकॉर्डिंग दे विल प्रोवाइड द प्रोडक्ट. नाउ अवर थर्ड पॉइंट इज कीपिंग लो प्राइसेस. मिडिलमैन bear much of the cost of transporting and storing good. Such costs are usually lower for larger quantities of good. As middlemen handle large quantities of goods, they can keep their expenses low and provide their services at reasonable rates. This helps is keeping the price of product is low, and beside the middleman have to compete with many other middlemen. This also encourages them to charge less for their service. Sometimes the process of taking goods to the customer can be quite expensive and inconvenient without the help of middleman. That means in our third point, keeping prices low, many mediators or many middlemen bear the cost of transporting and storing goods. Such goods are usually lower for higher quantities of goods. Middlemen can also encourage them to charge will be less for their goods. मिडिलमैन कई बार ट्रांसपोर्ट के सामान को मंगवाता है एंड दे विल स्टोर द गुड्स. सच थिंग्स आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव समटाइम्स बट दे प्रोवाइड their service at reasonable rate. Sometimes middleman told to customer yours product is available or not. वो प्रोडक्ट बाय करने के लिए कस्टमर को एनकरेज करते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स मीडिएटर बाय गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज बाय पेइंग द प्रोड्यूसर्स इन एडवांस. पैसे कई बार एडवांस में भी दे देते हैं. नाउ our fifth point is attracting customers. Middleman tells customer about the products available. They are encourage customer to buy products. And our sixth point is providing funds. Sometimes middleman buy goods and services by paying the producer in advance. This money is used to meet the production cost. Sometimes middleman told to customer your product is available or not, और वो प्रोडक्ट बाय करने के लिए कस्टमर को एनकरेज भी करता है. एंड समटाइम्स मिडिलमैन और मीडिएटर बाय गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज बाय पेइंग द प्रोड्यूसर्स इन एडवांस. कई बार पैसे एडवांस में दे देते हैं, इससे उनका प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज होता है. Now it is the time to discussion about markets of different types. We see several types of market around us. Weekly markets, the neighborhood markets, marketplace and the shopping mall are all examples of market. A weekly market is held on a particular day of the week. Students, now it is the time to discuss about the market of different types. That means there are different markets in our neighborhood. There are different types of markets around us, like weekly market, neighborhood market, marketplace, shopping mall and all. These are the types of, or these are the examples of market. A weekly market is held on the particular day of the week. In such a market, temporary stalls are set up for free for the day. They are taken down after the day's business is over. Not much money is required to set up shop is in a weekly market and most of the goods sold are not branded, hence the price are generally low. These markets are more common in villages than in cities. That means weekly market. Weekly market means this market is held in particular day or particular week. This that means in our Narsingarh, Wednesday and Sunday, it is our weekly market. Got it? So students, in this market, some temporary shops are there and some are permanent shops are there. Some temporary shops are set up for a day only. In this market, some temporary shops are set up for a day only. We did not require too much money in this weekly market shop. ज़्यादा मनी नहीं चाहिए होता है and most of the goods are not branded in this shop. Most of the goods are not branded in this shop. That is why the price of the goods are generally low. This type of market are very common in villages or small towns, small cities. I think this much it is enough to you students, and I hope you understood that. Okay students, meet you in the next video. Good day students.